Listening 1.
Listen and look. There is one example. Which baby is Michael?
Look, Michael. Here's a picture of you when you were a baby.
Oh no. Am I the one without any hair?
No, you had lovely hair. That's you, carrying a blanket.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course I'm sure.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which is Michael's grandfather?
These are very old photos.
Yes. Can you find a picture of your grandfather when he was a young man?
Is this him? Was he a dentist?
No, that was Uncle Fred.
This man is writing something. Was Grandfather a journalist?
No, that wasn't him. Your grandfather was a farmer.
2. Where did Michael's family live?
Look at this one. This is where we lived when you were a baby.
Was that our house, on the top of the hill?
Yes, it was lovely. You could see for a long way.
Were there no other houses near us?
No, there was a big forest near our house. It was so quiet, but you were a noisy baby.
3. Where did Michael's family go on holiday?
This photo looks interesting.
Yes, I took it on one of our family holidays.
What? In the jungle? We didn't sleep in that tent, did we?
Yes, we did. By that river. It was great.
Those insects look horrible.
Those aren't insects. They're very small birds.
4. Which photo are they talking about?
Was this a birthday party?
No, it was Christmas. Can't you see the Christmas tree?
Oh, yes. Who's that man in the photo?
That's your Uncle Jim.
He looks so young. Why has he got a rucksack?
That's the present that we gave him for Christmas that year. He still uses it now.
5. Which boy is Michael?
Oh, no. When did you take this picture?
Last week. Don't you remember? You went to sleep.
Where?
Downstairs in the armchair, with your mouth open.
You take lovely pictures of everybody else, but horrible ones of me.
Listening 2.
Listen and look. There is one example. What time did school finish?
Hello, Sarah. You're late. It's after 7.
Well, I played tennis with Sue after school today.
But school finished at 3:30. That was a long tennis game.
Well, we played until 5:30, and then we went to Sue's house. We were very thirsty, and her mum gave us some lemonade.
All right. But why didn't you phone us?
Sorry, Dad.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which is Sarah's favourite lesson?
We had my favourite lesson today.
What? Art?
No, that's not my favourite.
Well, it was.
Oh, I liked art when I was younger, but I prefer science subjects now. and geography. I love learning all about the world. That's the best subject.
2. Which girl is Sally?
There's a new girl in my class, Dad. Her name's Sally.
Is she nice?
Very nice. And she's got lovely long hair.
Well, your short hair is lovely too, Sarah.
Yes, but Sally's hair is curly and mine's all straight.
3. Which team is Sarah in?
Something excellent happened today.
What?
I'm going to be in a big sports competition. It's for lots of schools.
Great! Which sports?
Well, some of my friends are going to be in races or play volleyball, but I'm in the swimming team.
4. What did Sarah have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch today?
Burgers and French fries.
Did you have any salad with that? Or fruit?
No, I didn't.
Sarah, you should always...
Dad, stop, please.
5. What is Sarah going to do next?
Well, what are you going to do now, Sarah? Are you hungry?
No, I'm not. Can I have supper later?
OK. Are you going to do your homework now? Did your teacher give you some today?
Yes, she did. She gave us some geography and maths.
OK. Well, you should do it now, I think.
Oh, Dad, it's so hot this evening. I must have a shower first. I'll do my homework after that.
Listening 3.
Listen and look. There is one example. Where did Sarah go for her birthday?
Hello, Sarah. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes, thank you, Uncle Ben.
Did you have a party?
No, not this year.
So what did you do?
Well, I wanted to go to the theatre in London, but it was too expensive, so Dad took us to a restaurant for dinner.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Who went with Sarah?
Who did you go to the restaurant with?
Mum and Dad and my best friend, Emma. She came too.
What about your brother?
He couldn't come with us because he was at work that evening.
2. Which is Sarah's favourite present?
Did you get a lot of lovely presents, Sarah?
Oh, yes. My grandmother bought me a CD player.
That's great.
And I got some new pens and pencils from my cousins. But the present I like best is a brush and comb from Mum and Dad. They're made of silver and they were very expensive.
3. What does Sarah like most at the circus?
We're going to the circus on Friday night.
That sounds nice.
It's a good circus with clowns.
And horses. I like them best.
Do you? I prefer the elephants. They're so clever.
4. How are they going to get there?
It's a long way to the circus, isn't it? How are you going to get there?
Well, we're going to take a taxi because it's too far to walk.
Why don't you go by bus? It's cheaper.
Oh no, it takes too long.
5. What are they going to eat at the circus?
What about food? Are you going to take some sandwiches?
No, we can have supper at home before we go.
Would you like some sweets to eat there?
No thanks, Uncle Ben. Mum's going to buy us ice creams.
Answers and audio script.